Hello class, welcome to week 7. We're getting down to the final weeks and it's important that you hold on tight. So as always, make sure you check the announcement section when you first get into the show. I really try my best to communicate with you via that means, but I don't always email the announcements if I make them ahead of time. So make sure you check the announcements. And let's look to see what we have in week 7. So when we get to the week 7 component, you will see the week at a glance. Here are a few quotes, an introduction for the week, the course learning objectives that we will be covering, and then a checkoff sheet if you wish to utilize that. We are going to be reading chapters 12 and 13, and the various sections in the DSM-5 will be covered as denoted down here below. What is due this week is the discussion board and quiz 7. Here are the course materials. If you click here, you will find PowerPoints for chapters 12 and 13, as well as a document regarding behavioral interventions for autism. To get back to the main page, you will see under the assignment section the discussion board prompt and what you will be utilizing for this. It's a little bit different, so please make sure you have any questions. You're creating your own prompt and then making sure to answer your peers. As always, with the 1-week boards, your initial posting is due Wednesday by midnight, and you are to respond to at least 2 peers Sunday by midnight. So again, your initial posting is due Wednesday by midnight, and you are to respond to at least 2 peers Sunday by midnight. And then you have your quiz 7, which is due Sunday by midnight. And to go back to the rest of week 7, you will see there's an activities folder that has practice scenarios, as well as a TED Talk on schizophrenia, a TED Talk on autism, and another TED Talk on schizophrenia. So there's various TED Talks for you to watch to help to further explain the various topics that we are covering throughout the week. And finally, our Adobe Connect link is down here. We are meeting this Monday from 6 to 8 in PST time. But that is it. So you have your discussion board, you have your quiz, and also to keep working on your final assignment because it is due at the end of week 8. If you were planning to submit the extra credit, remember you can go to the announcements and you'll have to scroll down a little bit. But I did post the extra credit link here, and I talked about what you need to do for that. Watch the presentation, submit a 1-page reflection, and email me the reflection. I will respond, got it, review your reflection, and then you will be given 15 extra credit points for week 7 participation. If you complete this is due Wednesday, April 18th. So that's the final due date for that. If I don't receive your extra credit by that time, I won't be able to count it. I need to start getting final grades ready. And basically, this gave you 2.5 weeks to watch the recording if you so chose it. Or if you were present for the webinar, you need to make sure you get that 1-page reflection due in Wednesday, April 18th by midnight. Please let me know if you have any questions. As always, I'm here to help, and I really want to support you throughout these final 2 weeks. I'll see you in our Adobe Connect class this Monday, okay? I hope you all are doing well.